Welcome to Microlearning English, 5 minutes each day. Today is day 7. Today, we'll practice 2 powerful patterns together. Patterns that we went through in day 1 to day 6. There is, there are, to describe what's around. I eat, she drinks, to talk about actions. These are 2 easy. No. These 2 are easy to connect. Let's practice slowly, clearly, and with rhythm. I'll say each one and you repeat. So repeat after me. There is a sandwich on the table. I eat it. Say it again. There is a sandwich on the table. I eat it. Next one. There are apples in the basket. She eats one. Again. There are apples in the basket. She eats one. Last one. There is a television in the room. We watch it. Once more. There is a television in the room. We watch it. Now let's use the past tense. There was pizza on the table. I ate it. Again. There was pizza on the table and I ate it. Next one. There were cookies in the jar. She ate them. Repeat. There were cookies in the jar and she ate them. One more. There was a movie on television. We watched it. Again. There was a movie on television. We watched it. Let's make it sound more natural. Follow me. There's rice in the kitchen. I want to eat it. Again. There is rice in the kitchen. I want to eat it. Next one. There were snacks at the party. She ate too many. Again. There were snacks at the party and she ate too many. Last one. There is a chair near the window. He sits there. Again. There is a chair near the window. He sits there. Let's review. Short and quick. Repeat twice. There is food. I eat it. There is food. I eat it. There are drinks. She drinks them. There was tea. We drank it. There were papers. He read them. Now just the rhythm. There is, I eat. There are, she drinks. There was, we watched. There were, he cleaned. Again, there is, I eat. There are, she drinks. There was, we watched. There were, he cleaned. Nice and steady. Today, you connected description and action. There is a thing, I do something. Tomorrow we'll mix new patterns again and go one step further. See you then.